Hello, my name is Ryan. I am 8 years old. Welcome to my channel where I'll tell you everything about Minecraft from an 8-year-old's point of view.
In this video, we'll talk about building a house. Building a house is the most important thing to protect you from things like spiders, skeletons, and anything that might attack you during the game. It is important to build the house early in the game because you would not have many resources to protect yourself. There are different types of houses in Minecraft, such as hidden houses. A hidden house is either under the ground or inside a cave or in a cave and cannot be seen easily. This is my favorite type of house. Another type of house is a mushroom house. These are easy to build because you already have the structure built for you. You just have to add the details and stuff to it. But for the red mushroom house, you have to put a floor in it because it doesn't have a floor already. To build to build a house, you need essential supplies like bricks, quartz, wood, cobblestone, stairs, grass, glass panes, chests, and many other things. You can do lots of fun things with houses, like have automatically opening doors, create a farm inside the house. I know I know sounds crazy, and I'm not sure why you would do that, but you can. There's a lot more to houses, but hopefully this will get you started and happy building!